This is such a this is Rue Saint-Martin, and in Lausanne, and there's these lifts that go up 2 or 3 levels on to the top of the bridge from here, and then it's all in layers. It's amazing. I mean, it's going up the stairs. I mean, it's here it's going down, and over there it's going up. You see, this is a centre commercial mall, Les Terrasses, huge place with a Lidl in it, which I was looking for. I'm very impressed about the levels. You see, there's stairs going up to the bridge as well. Amazing. You know, they've like carved it out of the rock. So you see, this is right on a hill. And I get very tired in Lausanne because you know, it's all uphill. So now I had a meeting with somebody, and I had to rush, and I had to walk all the way up, and that was really quite a lot.